right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Novice, your number one source for everything in the world of cryptocurrency news. So we're on NASDAQ today, and we're talking about a trip to the moon is all-time high in sight as Bitcoin ETF daily volumes surpass $1 billion. That's pretty insane. Bitcoin's largest monthly gain since 2020 has pushed the cryptocurrency to the brink of a fresh all-time high, with the industry-leading analysts suggesting we're at the beginning of yet another monumental bull market. But before we continue, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research before you invest. And leave positive comments and educate people. If there's more that you know in these videos, please help us do that. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell for all notifications. So forget the term digital gold. Bitcoin has just surpassed the Russian ruby to become the world's 14th largest currency and is showing no signs of slowing down. The leading catalysts for BTC's most recent surge stems from the long-awaited SEC approval of the Bitcoin Spot ETF and the pace of its daily trading volumes, as well as widespread investor expectations of an upcoming rally sparked by Bitcoin's upcoming halving event in April. Now, on February 22nd, a team of Morgan analysts led by Nikolias Panigritso, I don't know how you say his name, fuck, who cares, claimed that the Bitcoin halving event, which is set to occur in April of 2024, is largely priced in following a fury of retail investor interest. The week that followed saw BTC rally more than 22%. With the added thrust of a spot Bitcoin ETF on Wall Street winning approval just weeks before a halving event, you'd be forgiven for believing that this time we are really going to the moon. But is the 2024-2025 lunar mission for the cryptocurrency landscape clearer than it was in 2021 and 2017? So far, the added power of Wall Street acceptance is paving the way for a cautiously optimistic outlook. The rise and fall of Bitcoin ETFs. Supporting the rise of Bitcoin is BlackRock's BTC ETF, which saw a $1 billion worth of trading volume surpassed on Tuesday, February 27th, with 2 hours still left in the trading day at that time. Likewise, the iShares Bitcoin Trust traded almost $32 billion in shares, surpassing the $1 billion volume mark at the same time. For both BlackRock and IBIT, it was the second consecutive day where $1 billion in trading volume was surpassed, representing an all-time high for respective funds in the week that followed their January 11th, 2024 launch. Collectively, the 10-spot Bitcoin ETFs saw $3.2 billion in trading volumes on Monday, the 26th of January, representing their largest figure since launch, in which around $4.5 billion in volume was reached. These positive market movements directly impacted the value of Bitcoin, with the asset's monthly gain surpassing 47% at the time of writing, which represents a level of growth that hasn't seen since December 2020. Hasn't been seen. Now, in most recent market movements, take Bitcoin to within touching distance of its all-time high of $44,077, which was reached in November of 2021. Now, with the prospect of a halving event occurring in April, Bitcoin's biggest supporters believe that it's only a matter of time before price exploration occurs. Quantifying the Bitcoin halving event. Despite Bitcoin's outperformance, recent data showed that the volume of BTC held in wallets tied to cryptocurrency miners has declined by 8,426 in 2024 so far, which is representing the continuation of a slide that began in October. Now, it is believed that one key contributing factor to this is the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, which actively halves the BTC rewards distributed to miners to automatically improve the scarcity. At present, miners generate Bitcoin by using significant computational resources to solve complex equations, with BTCs distributed as a reward. So it's we don't know how high Bitcoin's gonna go. Anyway, it's obviously gonna get really, really high. It's gonna keep skyrocketing as the rise and fall of Bitcoin ETFs happen, and as we quantify the Bitcoin halving event, that's gonna start happening there as well. Now, how high can it go? Well, who knows? I mean, we are going to see maybe a $70,000 high. I'm not sure. Keep your eye out on this. There's going to be a lot going on within this Bitcoin spot BTF. But anyway, that's going to cover this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. We'll see you in the next one.